The Custom House Tower in Boston. This 3D replica building was particularly made for blind people. For more information about the project or to buy the building, visit https://evengrounds.com/buildings. The Custom House Tower, located at 3 McKinley Square in Boston, Massachusetts, has been an iconic feature of the city's skyline since its completion in 1915. Originally serving as the headquarters for the United States Customs Service, this historical building has played a significant role in Boston's architectural and commercial history. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Peabody & Stearns, the Custom House Tower stands as a striking example of the Beaux-Arts architectural style, characterized by its grandiosity, symmetry, and classical details. The tower itself was an addition to the original Custom House, which was built between 1837 and 1847 and designed by architect Ami B. Young in the Greek Revival style. Throughout its history, the Custom House Tower has undergone various changes, including its conversion into a hotel in the late 20th century. Despite these transformations, it has retained its historical charm and continues to be a prominent symbol of Boston's rich architectural heritage. The width of the tower is 146 feet, 45 meters. And the length is approximately 100 feet, 30 meters, without the small roof at the entrance. The tower is 496 feet tall, 151 meters.
Description. Dimensions. Length, 93 mm, 3.7 inches. Width, 39 mm, 1.5 inches. Height, 159 mm, 6.3 inches. Scale, 1 to 1000. Orientation. The main entrance leads into the building slightly to the east. The tower is built at the center of column-supported buildings. These buildings, as well as the tower itself, are typically centrally symmetrical. The auxiliary buildings follow the direction of the tower's sides. At the front, at the main entrance, and at the back at the staircase entrance, there are regular columns, while in other places, there are half-embedded columns for decoration. The main and rear entrances are built shorter than the side sections. The main entrance has 3 doors, with 2 windows on either side. Above the entrance area, which is also decorated with a surrounding cornice, there is a terrace section in the shade of the columns. The terrace is equipped with a railing. Above the thick ceiling supported by the columns, there is a triangular facade decoration on all 4 sides. This roof structure connects to the sidewalls of the tower. On the ground floor, proceeding to the right under the aforementioned half-embedded columns, there are 2 to 2 windows and a door between them. Here, the knee wall placed under the windows breaks and curves inward towards the wall. Continuing towards the rear entrance, after 1 window and 1 door, we reach the rear stairs. The stairs are located between thick sidewalls. At the top, there is a vase on each side, and continuing with the base of the column, it connects to the building. The stairs lead up to the base of the columns, which are already incorporated into the stairline. Then to the right, after the stairs, there are 2 windows. The tower. The tower is characterized by windows lined up in 3 rows in the center. Numerous indentations decorate the tower upwards. In the 2 outer rows, there is 1 small window alternately in pairs and singly. The first section of the tower consists of 3 to 3 large windows and a wide cornice located above the wall decorations. Above this, the windows of the 12 floors line up. Then, the upper part of the 3 floors following the cornice is decorated with 2 to 2 columns. Above this, the building narrows in steps. The topmost step is equipped with a railing, and in the small balcony-like section formed, there is an eagle on each pedestal at the corners facing the front and rear of the building. Here, instead of the central window, there is a door on each side, with crown-like wall decoration built above it. Continuing upwards, the building narrows again in steps. Here is where the clock mechanism of the tower is located. The lower part no longer follows the triple window arrangement but has 5 to 5 smaller windows on each side in a wall recess. At this point, the corner walls narrow, and the resulting cut provides decoration to the upper part of the tower. Among the 3 small side windows is the clock face with the 2 hands. The clock follows the wall recess below it. Upwards, a high cornice widens the tower and provides a base for the upper lookout railing. This high section is decorated with 8 arched recesses. This upper lookout is characterized by larger recesses made for windows and doors, and it is decorated with 2-2 columns supporting the upper part. Continuing upwards, the widening section forms a crown-like structure, surrounding the wall section under the roof with railing-like decoration narrowing at the corners. The walls thin into a triangle upwards, thus forming the built roof section, with the inner faces decorated with recesses, and windows in a 3-2-1 arrangement upwards, with arched upper decorations. The top peak of the roof is adorned with a separate wall decoration.